Terra Classic coin. Stop dreaming for the impossible. Wow, I saw a lot of posts on Twitter and then even on Instagram on Terra Classic community. A lot of people have actually voted, a lot of people actually believe that Terra Classic this year, next year, that LUNC will reach $1. You can already see some people already calculating how much it will make. People talking about the millions, people talking about them rich because they are very certain that Luna is going to hit after Binance burning 2.6 billion coins. They believe that yes, Binance have also continue to say they will keep on supporting Terra Classic, keep on burning LUNC coin. This is why I believe that yes, though Terra Classic have that great support they are looking for coming from Binance especially, but stop dreaming of $1 because Luna for now can not reach $1. Even hitting 0.01, which is 1 cent, is even looking impossible for now. But I still believe a high burning Terra Classic can reach 1 cent. But for $1, it is not going to be possible. Now, I believe that Binance only have burned a total of over 35 billion, right? So even though with Binance support, that doesn't mean Terra Classic is already heading towards that 1 cent. The truth is, Luna, no matter who supports Luna, be it Binance, be it that Coinbase just listed Luna, be it that different crypto exchange, Binance US, listed Terra Classic. No matter who lists Terra Classic, no matter who supports Terra Classic, no matter the amount of transaction that is being carried out now, the truth still remains: Luna can only rise when they burn trillions of coins. Luna can only rise when they hit a market cap of over $5 to $10 billion. Luna can reach 1 cent or higher when Terra Classic reduces the supply, when Terra Classic community increases, when Terra Classic keep maintaining the top level. So for now, they don't have what it takes to destroy trillions of coins. They don't have what it takes to hit over $5 to $10 billion market cap right now. So this is why it is definitely going to be difficult. But not that Luna cannot bring in profit, but that high level profit will be impossible. Well, let's hope for the best. Please kindly like this video, share this video, drop your comment in the comment section below.